Save the project in case we encounter an error. Add the Topo Clip Area Polygon feature class from Crater Lake. It is in the same coordinate system as the rasters, GCS NAD 1983. In the Geoprocessing pane, clear and reopen the Clip Data Management tool. Set the input raster to NED West and the output extent to Topo Clip Area. Name the output dataset NED West Clip. Change the no data value to no data. Read the information pop-up on the Maintain Clipping Extent options. We want to avoid resampling right now, so leave it unchecked. Run the tool.